Does this dish look complete to you?
What?
How did a hillbilly like you even get hired? And it's what? Chef! Does this look complete to you? And if you tell me it's missing possum or whatever rank food you and your disgusting mother eat, I am going to lose it.
Where's my Brussels sprout collect?
It's missing caramelized onions. But they were your responsibility.
Is all that moonshine making you blind? It's on the board.
It was my duty yesterday, chef.
Where is my damn collect? What is the holdup? No onions? Brussels sprouts are overcooked? Can either of you Muppets enlighten me as to why you cannot prepare a simple dish?
Bradley, sir. He was responsible for the caramelized onions, and they weren't added before baking. Chef.
Listen here, you dim-witted twit! I am taking a chance bringing you in. Everyone said you were too uneducated, too dumb to work in a 5-star restaurant. Now this is your last chance. Don't make me regret it. Now do it again!
Why don't you do us all a favor and quit? I'm sure you can cook up some catfish for whatever toothless hillbillies you like to call friends. You are wasting your time. My uncle is a Michelin chef and owns 2 5-star restaurants. It's basically my birthright to take over this place. Plus, no one can beat my Moroccan-inspired sea bass tagine. What are you gonna pitch? Skunk chowder?
I don't eat skunk.
Oh, sorry, just based on how you smell, I assumed.
I think I've got just as much a shot at this as you.
Aww. Chef was right. You are actually dim-witted. My Uncle Louis is judging this, so I'm practically a shoo-in. And you? You don't stand a chance in hell.
Amina Rahim just made the final round of River Chef.
Oh, cool.
I told you her dish would be unbeatable.
Come on.
Aren't you eating?
I ate at lunch. Don't worry about me, Mom.
Who cooked this?
Who do you think? Bianca.
The sous chef. She should know better than to cook something so bland. There's no flavor.
Well, we better get used to it. She's gonna be head chef.
I thought they weren't judging the dishes for another couple of days. They gave her the job already.
No, but there's no point. Nobody from a seedy motel has gone on to become a 5-star chef. Okay, they just look at me, and all they see is a useless hillbilly.
Bradley, it's not about where you're from. It's about what you can do. You make an amazing dish, and I promise you they'll forget the rest.
No, Mom, you don't understand. Okay, you don't know these people. You don't know what it's like in the kitchen. Okay, you don't know anything.
But I do know you.
No! You don't, Mom. You don't.
6 cans of tomatoes! 3 whole chickens, 6 thighs, 2 breasts.
No beef, chef.
You! Your order never arrived. The customers are waiting!
understand. I put the order in. Chef, I always put the order in.
Well, it didn't arrive, and it was your job, Bradley.
You saw me. You were standing right there.
Well, it isn't here. So hand me your apron and get the hell out of my kitchen.
No, I can figure this out.
Hand me your apron. Now.
Please, Chef.
Now! Get out of my kitchen, go!
I'm the loving person I've ever been. I'm so sorry for everything. I'm so sorry that I went along with their horrible pranks and that I lied to everyone about you as if...
The time has come for you to present your dishes. Louie and I will be picking one of these dishes as the winner. And you will have the honor of being the Gilded Truffle's new executive chef.
You don't stand a chance in hell.
Moroccan-inspired sea bass tagine.
So hand me your apron and get the hell out of my kitchen!
Bradley, it's not about where you're from. It's about what you can do.
I am taking a chance bringing you in. Everyone said you were too uneducated, too dumb to work in a 5-star restaurant. Bianca, this is incredible.
I taught you well. Excellent work.
I think I speak for all of us when I say
What are you doing here? You're fired, you dim-witted hick. You can't do this, Chef. He cannot do this.
What are you doing here, Bradley?
Presenting my dish.
You cannot be
What roadkill is that?
Wow, that smells incredible.
Motel made chili.
State Fair 2012, right?
Yeah.
I have been searching for this exact recipe ever since I judged it then.
It's a family recipe, sir.
Well done, Bradley.
Congratulations, Chef.